We're now on to Tuesday's lesson, where we're going to be doing more calculation stuff as opposed to identifying what the actual angles are. Hopefully you're 100% fine now. You'd have done the video yesterday, completed the work, and you're ready now to really understand how to calculate. I've just found this little worksheet here to do. It should be absolutely fine in preparing you for the lesson at hand. And we'll go through them. So what they've done here is they've given us an angle, size, you see that's 35 degrees, and it's asking us to find what this angle size is. Sometimes they'll give it a letter, but in this case it's just asking me what to find this side over here. This is so simple once you understand it. It really is. Because you just need to understand what the full amount is. What the full amount is. It's pretty much like perimeter. With perimeter last week, we had to find the missing side. We had to find the missing side by identifying what was on the other side of it. So I've just gone over the actual right angle there. You should be able to identify straight away that that L shape with a straight vertical line, a straight horizontal line, is always going to be 90 degrees, okay? Now if this is 90 degrees and that's 35 degrees, what would be the missing amount? So surely then you'd have to subtract the full angle size from what you've been given. So this is how you do it. So I'm going to just label it A because I like doing it like this. A equals, the full angle is 90 degrees minus what they've given you, and then the answer is going to be the difference between the two. You could do this in your head, or you could do this, no problem. 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 3 is 5. So you got 55 degrees. If you do this in your head, it'd be good to just check by adding. So adding up from the inverse, 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 5 is 8, 80 plus 10 is 90, so there you go, 55 degrees. And then you put 55 degrees there, and that would equal up to 90. These all equal up to 90. So I'm not going to do all of them. So 45 again, you've got 90 degrees minus 45 degrees, and you know that 45 is half of 90, so the other side is 45 degrees. You can actually see here that this is directly in between the two amounts. The full angle is 90, and we go from there. Same with over here, 28 degrees, you've got 90 degrees, take away 28 degrees, and then you calculate from there. I'm going to do 90 minus 20 is 70, 70 minus 8 is 62. You add 2 plus 8, you should be absolutely fine. Good. So all of these are 90 degrees. Be careful for this one, number 8 here. You're going to go all the way to number 8. Even though this is angled in an awkward way, see it's angled kind of diagonally. This, if you turn it around, let's see if I can turn this around. Okay, perfect. I'm going to turn this. If you turn it around, I need to turn a little bit more. Okay, if you turn it, look what it looks like straight. Complete horizontal line, completely vertical line, 90 degrees. So just be careful because sometimes it might try and trick you in thinking it's not quite 90 degrees, but it actually is. Let's put this back to straight again. And this time it's given you 2 degrees instead of 1. That's not a problem. All you need to do is you start off by adding 17 degrees and 22. Okay, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. So those two are 39 degrees. And now I just need to find this middle bit. You go 90 degrees minus 39 degrees. Take away 30 degrees is 60. Take away 9 degrees, 59. So you got 59 degrees, check, oh no, 51, sorry. Take away 9 degrees, 51. So we got 51, 1 plus 9 is 10, 5 plus 3 is 8, 80 plus 10 is 90. Perfect. Okay, so that's pretty much how to do it. You find out how much the whole angle is by understanding how yesterday worked, and then you just calculate by subtracting. If you have more than one, you add them first, and then you do the subtraction. You're not only going to get fully 90 degrees, what about this over here? This over here, 90 degrees is over here. Okay, so it's definitely larger than 90 degrees. This angle is all the way this large. So what is the angle size of a straight line? You should know from yesterday that it's 180. And if you know that, you then know that you're just doing 180 minus 45, and then you give yourself the answer, which I believe is 135. I've used my mental methods to get that answer, so I'm going to quickly just check. 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 3 is 70. So it'll be, yeah, so that's absolutely fine because you need to make 180. So there you go. The answer is 180. You could also, I don't think it's worth doing it this way, but you could say, oh, that's 90 degrees. So what's going to be this bit first? What's going to be this angle first? And you say that it is 90 minus 45 degrees, which equals 45 degrees. And then you add this right angle here, 90 plus 45 degrees. And then you've got 135 degrees. So, I mean, it's just, I think it's one step more, which I'm sure you wouldn't want to do. So these are the questions that you're going to be doing today. I'm going to try to see if I can zoom in again. Again, the right-hand side will give you all of the information that you need. The first 4 are 90-degree angles, so that should be fine. Then you get into 180-degree angles, which I have shown as well. And then you get over here, 360. You get full circles. So you need to be careful with that. So how much is a full circle? And then you subtract as relevant. I'm not going to do this one as a teacher modeling. I'm going to try and challenge you to try to figure that one out yourself. You've got step 3 here to show you how it's done. And that should be it. I hope you do well, and I hope you're well.